Welcome to our latest video review, where we're excited to share with you the all-new 2025 Renault 5. This electric Supermini is the latest addition to Renault's growing lineup of sustainable vehicles, and it's clear that they've pulled out all the stops to make it a real showstopper. The Renault 5 is built on the same platform as the Renault Zoe, but don't let that fool you. This is a distinctly new and improved vehicle, with its own unique design language and features. But before we dive into the details, let's take a brief look at the car's heritage. The original Renault 5 was first launched in 1972, and it quickly became a bestseller in Europe. Since then, Renault has continued to evolve and improve the 5, and this latest iteration is the most impressive yet. So, how does the 2025 Renault 5 compare to its closest competitors, such as the Peugeot E208 and the Fiat 500e? Well, for starters, the 5 boasts an impressive range of up to 249 miles on a single charge, making it a serious contender in the electric Supermini market. It also features a spacious and comfortable interior, with plenty of room for passengers and cargo. In terms of design, the 5 is a real head-turner. Its sleek and futuristic exterior is dominated by a bold front grille, twin LED headlamps, and a sweeping roofline that gives it a real sense of dynamism. The car's interior is equally impressive, with a range of premium materials, advanced technology features, and plenty of clever storage solutions. One of the standout features in the 5 is its advanced infotainment system, which includes a massive 10.25-inch touchscreen display, navigation, and a range of connectivity options. The car also features a range of innovative safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking.
I won't obey. You cannot tell me what I cannot say. I'm here to last, so yeah, I'm here to stay. I'll live each second like my final day. You can't take that away.
Making it one of the quickest electric Superminis on the market. In terms of price, the 5 is expected to start at around $25,000, with higher trim levels pushing the price up to around $35,000. While this may seem steep, it's worth noting that the 5 is a highly capable and luxurious vehicle that's packed with advanced features and technology.